to celebrate. Another year of life, let's make it great. Friends and family all around, we dance and sing, make joyful sounds. May every moment bring you happiness and freedom. May all your dreams come true one by one. Let's raise a toast to the years that have passed, and cheers to the future, may it be a blast. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wishing all your dreams come true. May the laughter never end. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Oh yeah.
Happy birthday, Sean.
Happy birthday, Sean.
Last one ulit. Wish you many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday and stay healthy and young at heart. At we love you, so enjoy the party. Okay? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sean!
Pero dito na sa unahan, sana malaki sa likuran.
Happy birthday, Sean, 30th birthday. Sa wakas, after 30 years na, tuloy na yung pangarap mong birthday party.
Happy birthday, Sean! God bless always and take care.
Mamaya na lang.
Lord, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you for the gift of life. And thank you for our family and friends who are all with us here.
Happy birthday, Kagawad!
Happy birthday, Sean! Pakabait ka! Bawal masungit!
Happy birthday, Shani! Love you! Happy birthday, Sean! It's pretty.
Happy birthday! Kasama pala ako sa nag-set up nito. One piece chicken joy na lang extra.
Happy birthday, Sean!
Hello, Sean. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Sean! Thank you for having us. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Sean! Wish you more to come!
Hey Sean! Happy 30th birthday! Hope to see you soon, Sean! God bless! Yun lang masasabi ko sa'yo, happy birthday! Ang gwapo mo! Happy birthday!
Birthday wish ko para sana continuously siya maging appreciative sa mga bagay na around him. And huwag na siya magsungit. Huwag na siya magsungit. Kasi as tumatanda, baka lalo siya magsungit. So yun ang wish ko. So, and more blessings and happiness. Yun lang.
Thank you sa pagpunta dito, for spending your time with us. Na-surprise ako actually. Hindi ko talaga alam na may ganito. So, galing nyo. Thank you.
Thank you sa pagpunta. Thank you for your time. Ingat palagi. Ha?